Hello, everyone. I am Sheila Sales, and today we are going to explore fair sharing with fractions using a simple real world example to make fractions easy to understand. So, a fraction is created whenever we divide something into smaller or equal parts, and one of the most fundamental ways to do this for students is through fair sharing. When we share something equally among a group, we are naturally creating fractions, which is something that we do all of the time um, with our food, with our time, and even our resources. So let us take a look at our word problem. If four friends share half of a watermelon equally, what fraction of the whole watermelon does each friend get? So when solving any sharing problem, we always consider three things. The total amount we start with, the number of people sharing, and our goal, which is to find the number of pieces each person is going to receive. So in our case, our total is not the whole watermelon, it is only half of the watermelon. So now let's do the math. 1/2 divided by 4 equals what? So first we need to rewrite the whole number 4 as a fraction, which would be 4 over 1. So our problem becomes 1/2 divided by 4 over 1. Second, we need to apply the golden rule for dividing fractions. Keep, change, flip. We keep the first fraction, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and flip the second fraction to find its reciprocal. So 1/2 divided by 4 over 1 becomes 1/2 times 1 over 4. And third, we simply multiply straight across. The numerator, 1 times 1, gives us 1. The denominator, 2 times 4, gives us 8. So 1/2 times 1/4 equals 1/8. And so the answer is 1/8. So to help it make sense for all learners, let's look at a fraction strip. This entire strip represents the whole watermelon. And we can see that half of the strip is designated for the friends to share, while the other half of the strip is for other people. Now, we take the half that the friends will be sharing and divide it into 4 equal parts because there are 4 friends. When we do this, we see that each friend shares, we see that each friend's share is just a small section of the entire strip. So if we look at the whole strip, which is divided into 8 equal sections, each friend's share is exactly 1 out of those 8 sections. So this confirms our calculations, which says that each friend gets 1/8 of the whole watermelon. So thank you so much for watching and for exploring a little fruit math with me today. I wish you well.